Hello guys, welcome back for another video on plugins review and tutorial. So today I'm introducing the Titles plugin that you guys are going to love it. So titles. Why should you care about titles? Because titles make your video look amazing, no matter you are editing for your schoolwork, your own vlog, your own travel log, your wedding, and I don't know, some documentations, corporate videos, or maybe a YouTuber. You need titles for your videos to look amazing. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. And please, as always, give me a thumbs up if you like today's content. If you don't really like it, please drop a comment on the comment section below so I can improve and we learn something new today together. And why is this titles pack I'm introducing to you guys worth your money? Yes, you have to buy it. It's about $35, but you're going to get 220 over titles. All these titles, the author put in a lot of hard work, a lot of time, a lot of resources, and these titles look professional. They are the top of the line titles, and I love it. You can even use it for creativity, not only for titles alone. Like previously I have did a video regarding intro, how you use titles, glitch transitions, glitch effects, and all sorts of things to make your own very glitch intro, like just now you see that one, yeah, that one. So without further ado, let's jump right into the preview. And as always, if you want to skip the preview, please go to this time and we'll skip right into the practical session where we'll both experience firsthand on how to use these titles. So let's start. Okay, so you have purchased and downloaded the file, and you can see there is a description PDF. You can see that this package includes 200 and over titles. In this case, actually 222 of them, all in 4K resolution, and it's only for Final Cut Pro 10.3 and above. And don't worry about the installation, I'll show you later. You can watch the video tutorial where the author shows you how to install. And there are a lot of fonts you can download. I've already downloaded them. You can see in this folder, a lot of them. Haven't finished trying out all of them. And then you can check the Ultimate Titles Pack itself. You can see there are a total of 9 categories. And then you have to install them. How to do that? Just copy the Ultimate Titles Pack. You make sure it is the actual one, and then go to Home, Movies, and then Motion Templates, and then go to Titles folder and paste your Ultimate Titles Pack here. Make sure it's not the font pack. And restart your Final Cut Pro and go to the Titles column, find the Ultimate Titles Pack, and you can see that it's already categorized in 9 broad categories, very clear and all numbered and all professional top of line 4K resolution titles. And I'm gonna show you on some of these awesome titles, starting with broadcast. So why choose broadcast? Because when I was younger, I've always wanted to start my own TV show, and this has made my dream realized in some way actually. So you have a clip in your timeline. This one, broadcast 07, 24 hours live streaming. You can remove the background and you can change the color, change the words, but I'm not gonna change because I like this 24-hour live streaming thing. I can shorten the time of this title very easily, just drag and reduce the time. That's all I need to do. I can even go back to the start and wait till the titles fully appear and create 2 keyframes on title position and title scales, and then change the position and scale of this title. So after that, when you play back, you can see that the title appears in the middle, and then you jump to the top left hand corner. And let's show you another broadcast. This one is a very spotty one. You can remove the background as always. You can change the time, change the titles, the text, and change the teams, Team A versus Team B. And yeah, this is a very spotty event kind of stuff. You can change the color and it's highly adjustable. You can have a lot of fun just playing around with the colors, and you can even cancel the built-in effect if you don't want it. But I think it's kind of cool to have it, so I'm just gonna leave it there. If you have your own logo, you can always use another title like Broadcast 18, remove the background, shorten the time, and then change the position and scale. And then after that, when it's done, you can always change the colors, change the words. I think the words are quite descriptive of what's happening on the clip. And then I'm gonna add my own logo. So the way to add it is a little bit troublesome. You have to choose another clip or image and put it onto the timeline like this. And then go back to the title, go to the logo, and apply clip. And when you play back, you can see that there is already a logo there. You can change the scale, the position of the logo. So since this one doesn't allow you to put a live clip, so even you put a clip, it's just gonna stay still and looks like a still image. But I think it still looks amazing and it's very cool. And followed by this one. If you are doing for your science fair, you're doing your project, you can always use these modern titles. If you, for example, if you're doing for your child's science fair videos, you can use this title to make your little rocket more professional and very good looking. Like the Tech Summit, you can change to Tech Fair. Register now, you can always change it to coming soon, I think. I'm not sure how science fairs work. And then you can rescale and also change the location with this title. Remember to remove the background. And then you can see that it's looking good. It looks like those advertisements and it looks professional. And if you're doing a commercial, you can always use this vintage title like this one, Springfield. Remove the background. You can add a logo. I don't have anything to add for this one, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So it looks something like this. It looks kind of cool, but if you don't really like this one, you can change the box fill, you can change the color, the scale, the position as always. And if you don't really like it at all, you can change a new one. Like this one, California, you can always change all the things again. You can change the color, but I'm so lazy to change, and I love this very orange color. So I'm just gonna rescale it and readjust the position. And when you play it back, it looks just amazing. And finally, I'm going to show you my favorite category, the retro. So this is the one I've used on my opening. For example, New York, I can change to LC Media. The middle one, I'm gonna change to Final Cut Pro 10 Tutorial. I can change the width of the second one. And then when you play back, it just looks very, very good. Those cyberpunk-ish titles. Neon, I love neon. I don't know why, but I just love them. For this one, I'm just gonna play with the colors instead of the words to show you how easy to adjust the colors. Even the background colors you can change. You can even add a keyframe to change the color, but then I don't think it's necessary for this case. It's looking amazing. Okay guys, welcome back. So this is the end of today's video. If you are still watching, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already did. Subscribe to my channel. And please check out my channel. There are a lot of quick fixes, problem solutions, Final Cut Pro techniques, skills, and a lot of other plugin reviews and plugins tutorials. So please check out my channel. It's worth your time, I guarantee. And please show me your support because I didn't get any commission out of this. And yeah, please help with my channel and let's improve together. So all in all, there are a lot of other plugins that I already bought and I can't wait to show you guys. So please stay tuned for the next video and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.